it's Scola and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another vlog. This one is going to be so fun because it's a little bit of a change of scenery from my bedroom, which is where I've mostly been vlogging. I don't know if you can tell, but this is like a different background. Welcome! Okay, this is terrible for lighting, so we're not really gonna stay here, but you can tell I'm somewhere different right now. Surprise, I am in Birmingham. So I've come to Birmingham because I had a few bits that I needed to do here. And it's actually kind of an exciting trip. I ain't gonna say nothing yet, but just know, watch this space, okay? But basically, this is my birthday week, and I just thought, because I had to come up here anyway, that I'd treat myself to a little like mini city getaway. So I'm staying in an Airbnb. So yeah, basically I decided to book myself in. So I've had such a busy day. I've been running all over the city basically. And yeah, it's been a lot. I drove up here as well. So I live basically down near Brighton. This is what I always say just to make it easy. If you're in the UK, you'll completely understand this. If you're not, this won't mean anything. But I'm based down near Brighton. So I drove all the way up to Birmingham and it was about a 3-hour drive, which isn't too bad. I feel like 4 hours is where I start to go a little bit loopy. Guys, I came with a whole ass suitcase here. Like, it's so silly. I've got my laptop here because I am going to be doing some work. But anyway, I wanted to show you something so cute. One of the things that I sort of got for my birthday. I'm seeing it as a birthday present. But Teddy Blake kindly gifted me this bag and it's absolutely gorgeous. And oh my goodness, guys. Oh my goodness. So it comes in a little dust bag. So the actual package itself, it came in a box. So it wasn't going to get squished or anything like that, which I was really impressed with. Like, I saw the parcel and I was like, this is massive, because I was away for my birthday, so it actually arrived whilst I was away for the night and stuff. But look at that. Oh my goodness, guys, this is my first like grown-up proper bag, because I did get like a bag, like a designer bag before, but it was like pink and frilly and stuff like that. I just didn't really think things through. Okay, but with this one I really made sure my choice was good. So this is the Ava taupe like crocodile texture with like gold detailing. I'll have all the details down below and I'll link this down below so you guys can go and check it out. But it comes with this long strap that I've just attached, but these are detachable. It's gorgeous. It's got a little zip in the back and it says Teddy Blake there as well, so you can just unzip it. Oh my god, so gorgeous. And then I just feel like this is so secure. So it's so funny, the bag that I have now that I've been using for the day, okay, look at this bag that I currently have. Look how just messy and how open it can be. There's no proper closure, but this closes so securely. And I've still got like the paper inside because obviously I put it in my bag because I'm going to be using this either this evening or tomorrow. And it's got like little zip compartments. It's got a little pocket in here. Like, look at that. I am absolutely in love, and like you can already tell this goes with my color palette so well. Like, I went for a really neutral color. This is just to show you what this bag looks like with my outfit I was wearing today. Like, I don't even have to think about matching my outfits. Like, this just goes perfectly. Like, look at that. All the details and links down below to Teddy Blake so that you guys can go and check it out. Honestly, this is one of my favorite birthday presents. So thank you so much, Teddy Blake, for sending this over to me. Absolutely love this bag, and I feel like it's the perfect way to start my mid-20s, because now I'm in my mid-20s. Anyway, time for an apartment tour. Okay guys, so this is the kitchen. It's pretty much got everything that you need. I think they've done it really well, like the little finishes, like the little plant pot up there, so pretty. And then over here you can see me, a nice little dining table here for 4, because this Airbnb does take 4 people, but it's just gonna be me for the night really, so yeah. Anyway, there's a nice big clock up there on the wall, a really lovely lamp. I really like this floor lamp. It's really cute. It's like rose gold. I thought I was over rose gold, but I'm into it now. As you can see on the TV, I was watching Gossip Girl. Please just allow the fact that I will always watch it. A bit scary because everything is glass. I don't like glass tables because I'm just frightened I'll break it. My sister broke one once when she was like 4 years old, and ever since we've been terrified of glass tables. And it's got a lovely L-shaped sofa. I've been sitting in that corner. Sorry, that's all the mess from all the stuff that I was just showing you guys. And then I've got a little glass table here as well, like a nice little side table. So I can't imagine I'll be using the balcony, but yeah. Oh, and how could I forget to show this feature wall? I love this. It's actually giving me such good ideas for any future decor. And oh, let me show you the lampshades as well. I just feel like these are really nice. Like honestly, an ugly lampshade can ruin everything, but they're really nice. Then come in here. I really love that this is black as well. I'm really into like black decor. I just feel like it looks really pretty. I don't know if pretty is the right word, but it's nice. But yeah, they've got all the bits and pieces in here. They've got a bathtub, so I will be taking a bath in there later. Like here is the front door, and then this is like where you would enter, and then you have a nice little decor moment there. And then we go into the bedroom. I've barely been in the bedroom. I've just been going straight into the other room, but it's got a nice built-in wardrobe. You can see me again in the mirrors. And then got a nice cute little desk. Like if I was staying here longer, that would come in such handy. Like I could just sit there and do my makeup. I could put my laptop there, do my work. But I won't be here that long, so I probably won't be coming in here to sit. I'll just sit in the other room. And got a nice window. But yeah, I really like this. It's really cute, just the way they've done it. Got some art on the wall. And yeah, that's pretty much the whole place. Evening guys, so it is almost 9 p.m. I have been editing since about like 6. Oh my goodness, like I've literally just spent most of my time sitting on that sofa just getting some work done. I'm kind of sad I didn't really get a chance to just like enjoy, relax and do whatever, but I was aware that this wasn't gonna be a super relaxing time, and I'm okay with it. If anything, it feels good because I just wanted to have a change of scenery and stuff like that. Like obviously for the past 6 or so months I've just been stuck at home like many people, and I haven't really wanted to go on holiday. I know a lot of people have gone on holiday, especially because if you live in Europe it's so easy to go somewhere, but I just thought, do you know what, I'm not going to. I'm just going to stay home, work hard, get the stuff done that I want to get done, and then I will travel when it feels really good and I feel like really relaxed and stuff like that. But I feel like I've been really on edge lately and just had a few goals that I really wanted to achieve. But yeah, so the last few months have been a lot about making sacrifices for long-term gain rather than short-term. And I feel like typically before I've been a very like instant gratitude type of person, and I think a lot of millennials or Gen Z get a lot of flack for wanting instant gratification and all of that kind of stuff, which I think isn't fair at all. But yeah, I think I am the type of person who loves instant gratification. Sometimes I just don't worry about the future. I only want to worry about right now, which is good because you want to live in the moment. But I've been trying to, you know, think of the bigger picture more often, and I think it is finally paying off. Like, I think it is. Fingers crossed. Fingers crossed. Anyway, let me walk into this area. I haven't even spent time in any other bits of the apartment. Like, the bedroom is such a foreign place to me because I just haven't, like, I could end up sleeping on the sofa just because I'm like not familiar with this room whatsoever. Oh, it's much less echoey in here, but checking in from your favorite adult. So I've just put an order in, and where did I order? I ended up going with Uber Eats. Usually I'm a Deliveroo kind of gal, but I decided to go with Uber Eats. Oh, I'm gonna put my Uber Eats code down below. Not that I'm gonna really use Uber Eats much from now on, to be fair. I don't really deliver food very often because I've told you guys I live in a village. You can't deliver food, which is how I stop myself from getting tempted. Honestly, I worry about myself ever living in a city because I would just deliver all the time, I feel like. But I have good self-restraint. But anyway, so I've ordered from a place called Del Villaggio, and I've ordered a spaghetti carbonara. Very unlike me. So basically I realized that I always order the same kind of thing. I always go for the same foods, and lately I've been obsessed with like anything like chicken nuggets, chicken strips. That's all I've been eating, and it's actually a problem, and I need to grow up and try something new. So I was like, okay, cool. I was kind of craving a pasta, not craving it as such, but just wanted to try something different, and I'm going to like try new recipes and stuff like that. So yeah, I just thought, do you know what, I've never ordered pasta in my life. If I go out to eat, even if we go out for Italian, I always go for a pizza. I've never gone for a pasta. So next week we'll be like getting back on track again. But I don't even want to call it back on track. It's about balance, because it's weird to be like, oh, I fell off, back on track, because it's not like that. It's like, I knew it was going to be my birthday. I knew this week I was going to be relaxed, eat whatever I want. And this is why I keep talking about like diet breaks. I don't even want to call it diet break because it's not like I'm on a diet either. But it's just taking a break. But even saying taking a break, it's not that like, do you know what I mean? It's just like, yeah, I don't know if that makes sense, but it's okay to like, life is like this. And so your health and fitness is also going to be like this. And, you know, this week is like this, but not in a bad way. And then next week I'll be really on it again, and then maybe I'll relax and then I'll be back on it, and that's completely normal. It's fine. You can't just be like this all the time. Like, things have to come down to go up. Anyway, I talk way too much. Okay, so I went down to go and get my food, and I don't know, do they need to be wearing a mask in the car like when they're delivering food? I feel like that should be a thing. He wasn't, but everything was put in plastic bags, so it's just on the surface area. So I just made sure I washed my hands when I got in with all the stuff. This carbonara, I'm excited to see what this is like. And I don't have any dessert or anything like that, but to be honest with you, I haven't really been craving anything sweet, which is weird because I have had some cake and stuff this week, but it wasn't like something I had to have. Do you know what I mean? Maybe I'm not really a sweet person anymore. I'm definitely more of a savory person. Oh my gosh, this is heavy. And it's still warm. That's so good. The only downside about this is that there's obviously like no seasoning or anything here or anything like that at all. And I wish I'd gotten some sort of seasoning or something like that. Because this tastes really good, but you know when you just know just adding a little bit of some would make it taste really, really nice. so I am freshly showered. I'm in the cutest nightie. Did I not tell you guys that, like, you know, when I'm on my own and I have my own space, I'll be able to wear these cute, slightly scandalous nighties. Anyway, you would have seen this in my Yes Style haul from like a few months ago, like 1 or 2 months ago. But yeah, anyway, I feel super fresh, super clean. I really feel really good. And yeah, it's been an interesting day. It's been really busy, really hectic. It feels weird that I just literally spent the whole evening working. Like the video I was editing today, I really hope it pays off. Like, anyway guys, I am so tired. It's like 11, but I've been up since 6. I need to have a good little lie-in. I mean, I don't know, because the checkout is at 10, so I have to be up by at least 8. If I could get up earlier, that's great, but I don't think I'm going to set any alarms, so I'm going to be risky about it. I'm just going to let myself sleep, see when I wake up. Whatever I can get done, I get done. If I don't, I don't. Like, I have to be able to set boundaries with myself and just let myself chill sometimes. And I know I need to get some sleep tomorrow because I've got a lot of driving to do. But anyway, that's the end of this vlog because I'm going to start a new vlog for tomorrow. But anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed today's vlog. And yeah, stay healthy, stay luscious, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.